In the dark, the bonsai grows wild. Chaotic branches, unclear shape, full of life but not of strength. The first cut is not a mistake, it is the first act of discipline. You call it sacrifice, you call it pain, you call it giving up. Every cut removed the version of you that would never survive. The bonsai doesn't grow soft because the weak parts are cut away. You are the bonsai. You are the blade. You are the one who decides what stays and what is cut.